Welcome to our video. Today, I'm going to tell you how to add an AI chatbot to your Shopify store with no coding in 2025. First, head to the Shopify App Store and search for AI chatbot apps like Tedio AI, Gorgeous, or Loom IQ. These integrate directly into your store in minutes. Once you install one, connect it to your product catalog so the chatbot can instantly answer questions about pricing, shipping, or stock without you lifting a finger. Most of these apps also let you customize the bot's tone and even train it on your FAQ pages, so it feels like a real support agent that knows your brand. The best part is the AI works 24/7, capturing leads, reducing cart abandonment, and improving conversion, all without needing a single line of coding. Just drag, drop, and go live. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more smart videos.